Welcome to today's edition of TV Wolf.
Today is Friday, January 13th. It is an A day and a Signet 3 day. Hallelujah.
Would everyone please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance? I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Please remain standing for a Wolfpack pledge.
I will honor myself and others. I will take ownership for my actions. I will demonstrate an excellent work ethic in all that I do. I am responsible for my own learning. I am responsible to the success of our school. We are tracking a path towards excellence. And now for the moment of silence.
Welcome back. Today for lunch we will be having Build Your Own Asian Bowl, cinnamon roll, rice, chicken teriyaki, General Tso's chicken, and shredded Asian carrots, and those peanuts from the airlines. Today's weather will be partly cloudy with a high of 48 and a low of 29.
Now until Wednesday, February 1st, the Yearbook Club will be holding an art contest. Create an awesome cover to represent your grade, school appropriate by the way, and try to include our school colors and mascot. If you have any questions, please see Ms. Delgadio.
Calling all storytellers, poets, and screenwriters. Are you looking for an audience? Do you want a group of people to read your work and share ideas? Join the Creative Writers Club. All grade levels are welcome. If interested, sign up outside Mr. Peterson's room 1206 in B hallway. Meetings will begin Thursday, February 2nd.
Due date for order forms have been extended to Tuesday, 17th of January. If you are interested ordering #Howler newspaper spiritware, please grab an order form outside Miss Bauduco's room in room 1514. Old room is E10. Or see Mrs. Smocker in C8. Again, order forms are now Tuesday, January 17th. Attention all Spelling Bee participants. The Spelling Bee group will meet next Thursday, January 19th from 3 to 4 in Miss Esmacher's room. Thank you for your hard work.
Woodbridge High School is hosting a parent breakfast for rising freshmen on January 21st, starting at 8:30 a.m. Flyers are available in the counseling office. RSVP is required. Osborne Park High School will also be hosting a scheduling and curriculum information fair / open house on Tuesday, January 24th from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. See Miss Proctor Dunn for more information on specialty programs. Reminder, applications for specialty programs has to be completed before February 1st, 2017. Late applications will not be accepted.
Thanks for watching this edition of TV Wolf. I'm Manny Villatoro.
And I'm Jaden Samaran. Thanks for tuning in and have a great day.